right, Shasnasan on the HRC, high rapturing capacity fuse, HRC fuse. So this type of fuse, by using this fuse, so we can protect the devices. Okay. So in this fuse, these are the two different type of contact wires. Fuse link contact. This is called one fuse link contact, and also this is also called as a one fuse link contact. These are the two different type of fuse link contacts. Okay, and this is called outer element. So here also outer element. Two outer elements are there. This is called outer element and here outer. And this is called fuse element. Fuse element. So fuse element. So this is placed in one powder that is called filling powder. Okay, this called powder. Send with filled with this color filled with powder. Okay, silica sand. That maybe, for example, it is maybe silica sand. Okay, so this silica sand powder is this fuse element is placed between in this inside of silica sand powder filling powder. Okay, this called outer filament and outer filament. This called brass end plates. Brass end plate. So this is also called brass end plate. Okay, so this is a fuse link contact. These are the two terminals of fuse link contact, and this is called outer element, and this is called fuse element. Okay, fuse element and a filling powder. This is called filling powder. Is filled with powder, silica sand powder, and then this color, this brass end plate. Understood? So this is the circuit diagram of the HRC fuse. Then when the load capacity is very high, the level of fault current will also increases. When the load capacity is very high, means for example, more number of devices are connected. Some of the house, two houses are connected, two fans, okay, two lights, one TV. Some of the houses, four fans, two TVs, fridges, ACs also there. Okay, that means if the more number of devices in home, if the more number of devices are increasing, operate, then load capacity also increases. Na? Okay, so if you are using normal fuse in series with the or home appliances, means it is frequently so melt. Okay, so frequently melting takes place in fuse. So that means operating range of this normal fuse is very, very less. To increase the operating range, this type of HRC fuses are used. High rupturing capacity fuses are used. Okay, so if you are using for large loads, okay, if we are using normal fuse for large loads, even though normal conditions also the fuse will melt because of over current flowing to the fuse, overload. The fuse is not operated with that current. Okay, so to protect this much of current, this type of fuses are used. When the load capacity is very high, the level of fault current will also increases. When the load capacity is very high, means so no more number of loads are increasing in a particular house. Okay, the load current flowing through the is also increasing. Level of fault current is also increases. Okay, so fault current clearing device will be under heavy stress. So fault current clearing device under heavy stress. Okay, so that's why HRC fuses prefer for heavy duty and rapid operations. High rupturing capacity. So remember, high rupturing capacity. HRC means high rupturing capacity fuses are is preferred for heavy duty and rapid operations. It's clear. And it's consisting of heat resisting ceramic cylindrical body having low coefficient of thermal expansion. Okay, it consisting of heat resisting ceramic cylindrical body. Okay, and having low coefficient of thermal expansion. Okay, so you know well thermal expansion. How to so when increasing temperature, how this the properties of this fuses elements are changing. Okay, so when the heat is increasing, how the fuse element properties are changing. So okay, the fuse element is made up of silver or silver alloy to improve fuse life. Silver or silver alloy to improve the fuse life. This fuse element is made up of silver. Okay, It is filled with incombustible powder. This is called incombustible powder. For example, silica sand. Okay, it is called incombustible powder. It's a non-conducting powder. It fuses element is made up of silver. Okay, it is filled with incombustible powder, that is called non-conducting powder, which absorb the arc produced at the time of blowing. Okay, so it absorbs the arc produced at the time of blowing. So whenever the fault is occurred, means under melting conditions, so this arc can be minimized by using this incombustible powder. Okay, again a reconnection is not possible if you are using incombustible powder. If the incombustible not powder is not there, that means even the open circuit condition also the fuse current, because some amount of current is passing through the fuse, that can be eliminated by using incombustible powder, which absorb the arc. It's clear. The rating is much more accurate. HRC fuse, the rating is much more accurate. It is widely used because of silent operation and non-deteriorating characteristics. Okay, understood. Compared to normal operating fuse, this rating of this fuse compared to SFU, switch fuse unit, the HRC fuse is rating is much more accurate. It is widely used because of silent operation and non-deteriorating characteristics. Okay, it is maintenance free and easy to install. So these are the different type of differences, advantages compared to SFU. It is easy maintenance free and easy to install. Okay, this is about HRC fuse, and then advantages and disadvantages of HRC fuse. Advantages: speed of operation is very high. Okay, under fault condition, this HRC fuse operating speed is very high. That means time required to operate this device is very less. Time is very less means speed must be high. Understood? So speed of operation is very high. That means time required to separate the healthy system or faulty system from healthy system is required is very less. Okay, in HRC fuse. Maintenance cost is practically zero. Maintenance cost is practically zero in HRC fuse. They deteriorate with age. Okay, they provide a reliable operation and they're cheaper than other protecting devices. HRC fuses are very cheaper than other protecting devices. So these are the different above advantages. And then disadvantages: heat produced by arc may affect the associated switches. Okay, so because of arc heat produced in these switches, that may be affect the other switches. Okay, so heat produced by the arc may affect the associated switches. They have to be replaced after each operation. Okay, if understood. So that means each operation means the fault is can't say the fault only one time of fault is occurring in your home, only 2 times, only 3 times. We can't say. Okay, for every operation, for each operation, the replacement of this HRC fuse is required. Okay, we don't know how many times of fault is occurring in your home. So that's why, so they have to be replaced after each operation. Okay, so frequently replacement is required. So this HRC fuses. Understood? So this is about HRC fuse, high rupturing capacity.